Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a fake matrix virus and prank on your prank your friend. So easy and simple way. Firstly, open Notepad. Now copy and paste this command. You can get this command from my website techproadvice.com. Now click on File and save as. Give any name. Then .bat. Make sure in the last you will type .bat. Now here select all file, save as, type all file. Select the location where you want to save this file. Then click on save. Now exit. Now here you will see this file. Double click on it. So as we can see, we have this fake virus, and this code will not harm to your PC. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.